background, you see a BVL cleaning machine that has been designed for a Chinese customer. The requirements of the customer had in general two challenges. The first challenge was the overall dimension and the weight of the part. The machine has been designed for a useful length of 2.6 meters and an overall weight for 3 tons. The second requirement for sure was the cleanliness demand. This cleanliness demand will be achieved with a special nozzle frame. We have an outer nozzle frame that will do an overall cleaning of the part and a special inner nozzle frame in the gym wheel that do a particular cleaning of channels, of blind hoods and particular areas. So that means the overall conjunction of both systems in conjunction with a special workpiece holder, where it's also a nozzle system integrated, will achieve the required cleanliness demands. The high capacity drying system with help of the vacuum technology will ensure that we are getting 100% dry parts. The overall system will be assembled on site with help of our Chinese partner and will be interlocked in an overall automation line. That means we are getting a loading station and an unloading station on top with a cooling tunnel. So the overall system combined with the automation, the control system will achieve 100% clean, dry parts according to the customer requirements.